Okay, so let's get right into crude oil technical analysis for today, Tuesday. Let's take a look at the price action. Congratulations to all of our team members that took this sell trade opportunity. But what I want you to focus on is where price came to. It came right back down to that structure area, and we are close to having market close right now. So again, congratulations to all of our folks that took that trade. And if you go over to the 8 hour, right, we had looked at this key level right here. So after the sell was going to expire, we were talking about them coming back possibly to retouch this floor again. So you can easily see that floor right there, but you'd have to be on a higher time frame. And that's why the higher time frame always wins for market structure. Okay, so let's head back into the chart here. And let's kind of talk about where I think crude oil is going to go now. And hey, don't forget, before we keep going, hit that like button for me. If you're brand new, subscribe and turn on your notifications bell because we're doing some pretty cool stuff here that you do not want to miss out. And one quick announcement for those of you, again, about 25% of my subscribers are in India, and I've had a lot of requests to please dub my videos in Hindi. Now, YouTube has not automatically given me that feature yet. So what I have done is created a playlist. Last night was my first video. Over the course of the next few weeks, my instructional videos will be dubbed in Hindi, and I'll put it in that folder. So if that's your primary language, feel free to go in there and watch those recordings. Of course, everything will be uploaded in English, but I plan to have that second space there for those folks who are asking for that information to please be dubbed. And so I will definitely take some extra time when time permits to do that for you. Okay, so we are right back here at structure. We are going to start with a fresh chart here because I believe, okay, if everything holds well here, and let me just point out that tonight, okay, the president of the United States does have a session at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So that is going to move the markets, okay, including crude oil. So pay attention to these key levels as we go forward, okay? Now, let's go ahead and kind of chime in here because I think crude oil is possibly going to make one more push up into this 69 liquidity area sitting right here. Okay, I do see some unmet liquidity, and I think 69 right about there would be a nice psychological number to hit. Okay, so from the 8 hour perspective, if the day closes, and let's get over to the day chart, and you can see the clear rejection that was created down at this level. And again, this is why the higher time frame wins. Okay, if they were to push down pre-London session, I would still look for some type of possible buy and retracement back up to this level. Okay, if they just open up the new candle for the day, they may just shoot up. Okay, they may just go all the way back up to this particular area right here for liquidity. Now, that level right there, I'm going to make it wide, is the next level. So if they close above 69, there's a good chance they push all the way up to 70. But if you can clearly see here, okay, you can clearly see here that we are still walking crude oil down level by level. This, though, right here, this point here, this 66.81 area, okay, and if you've watched my videos for the last few weeks, we've been talking about that 66.50 area was looking very good because I saw the floor that we just saw before. So we basically got there. Okay, we basically got there. And this is a very key level, in my opinion, because if we end up having a day candle that closes below this level, then at that point, we are heading down into the lower 60s. But that hasn't happened yet. Okay, so you're going to play what we see right now. And so let me get rid of this right here. It's going to be interesting to see how the market opens. And you can see right here, as we are on this 1 hour candle, right? Price is just doing a retracement right now. So if we zoom in on this 1 hour level right here, okay, you would look to possibly pick up a buy down in this level here. And again, we might get this W pattern to form and eventually go back up and take out that liquidity that's sitting there at 69. Now, you can see here, they did come up and grab about 20 to 30% liquidity, but I think they'll go for, if not 50, the entire liquidity candle here over the next 24 to 48 hours. So for right now, as we are looking at crude oil, even though structure is down, I would look for one more bounce down inside of that little yellow area that you see there in that circle. And again, though, keep in mind, okay, this is the technical analysis of it. We haven't made a higher high, so structure is down. You want to trade smaller because you're going against the major structure of the chart. And then secondly is keep in mind that there is going to be news tonight from the president of the United States, and that will impact crude oil. So you want to trade smaller because you are going against the trend, and it's been a very strong trend down on crude oil, as we have been doing and talking about since 81. And that's why, for me, I've pretty much only been a seller of crude oil. I may look to pick up a quick bounce tonight if I see that rejection, but I usually only trade U.S. session. But again, we're giving this same information to our members inside of our private trading club. Listen, if you're not there on that website yet and joined us, come on in. You are going to be amazed what we are doing each and every day. Let me help you. And hopefully my goal is that you can self-sustain yourself. I can help you pass a challenge. I just help you grow your account. And when you feel comfortable, stop your membership and go back to doing it on your own. But if you're struggling, I want to see you in the group. If you're broken, I want to see you in the group, right? If you've lost accounts, I want to see you in the group, right? I believe that is my calling, to help the broken, because I was broken one time and I know what it takes to get back on track. So if you're broken, if you're messed up, if you're blowing accounts, if you can't pass challenges, right? I take on those challenges. Come on in, and I hope that I can help you reach your goals slowly. It's the way we do it, but we do it consistently over time. Thanks for watching. Happy trading. Use caution. Small lot sizes creates more wins in trading than large lot sizes if you keep hitting your stop loss, because you have such a tight stop with such a big lot size, then you're never making money in the market. So we do the complete opposite, and it's why we have so many members. Fruitful, growing accounts for the first time in their trading careers, because we tend to do it right, slowly, and the right way. There are no home runs in trading, and nobody masters the markets. All right? Stay safe tonight with news, and we'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.